my channel. If you have come here for the first time, thank you so much guys for clicking on the video. My name is Ashmita. Hope you all are doing well. And armies, today's reaction is a Map of the Soul Persona. This is the comeback trailer of Namjoon. I know the song, I know the lyrics, and I just want to, look at Namjoon. I'm so happy. I'm so happy that I don't have to concentrate neither on the song nor on the lyrics. I can just concentrate on the dude. And he was the only one left. Of course, I have reacted to everybody else's solo stuff and I cannot believe again that I left Namjoon for last. So yes, without dealing this further, because I want to watch this very, very quickly. So yeah, let's just start Map of the Soul Persona. Ooh. Of course, this is not the full song, I know that. Oh! Oh my god.
Yo.
Okay. Blonde hair. Okay. Okay. I see you. Oh! Oh, the shadow ego, that's written, Map of the Soul. Oh, it's written in the blackboard. Yeah, I need to pay attention to the visuals. And this visual, what do I do about this visual in front of me, huh? What do I do, armies? Okay.
나는 누구인가 평생 물어온 질문 아마 평생 정답은 찾지 못할 그 질문 나는 놈을 고정 말 몇 개로 답할 수 있었다면 신께서 그 수많은 아름다움을 담아주신 나랬겠지 how you feel 지금 기분이 어때 사실 난 너무 좋아 근데 조금 불편해 나는 내가 개지 돼지인지 뭔지도 아직 잘 모르겠는데 남들이 와서 진주 먹거리를 꺼내 예전보단 더 죽었어
Ooh, I like his costume.
이제 진짜 된 거
I like what he's wearing.
I like
what he's wearing. I like how he's standing and there are like mirrors of, it's just like sort of saying his different personas. Like this one. Oh! I want this hoodie. Wait. You, who am I? Oh, who am I? Who are you? Map of the Soul, okay. 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 Yeah.
소명 나 따위가 무슨 뮤즈 내가 아는 나의 흠어점 그게 사실 내 전부 세상은 사실 아무 관심 없어 나의 서춤 지실리지도 않은 후회들과 매일 밤 싱그럽게 굴고 돌릴 길 없는 시간들이 습관처럼
I love how the camera is moving.
또 이렇게 세운 것 최초의 질문 내 이름 성샤 그 가장
What's written? Is that persona written?
앞에 wild bus so I'm asking once again yeah who the hell am I tell me all your names baby do you wanna die or do you wanna go do you wanna fly
Oh my god, he looks great!
do you think you're live oh shit I don't know man
Oh, I love how, oh, that's nice. This is good animation. I like how simple it is, just the curtain sort of a thing and him in white. I like that. That's nice. What a great visual. I like this animation. My favorite part!
사람들이 아는 날 토로하기 위해 내가 스스로 만들어낸 나의 날 속여왔을지도 뻥쳐왔을지도 부끄럽지 않아 이게 내 영혼의 지도
This, in my review, I told you that this was my favorite part of the song, and the reason is that when he says, "My name is RM," now he was initially called, he called himself Rap Monster, right? And he sort of gave up that name. Now RM is like real me. But he at one point of time didn't want to be known as Rap Monster because he was sort of embarrassed of that persona. Now he's saying that now I'm not embarrassed anymore. This is my Map of Soul. So because of that, he is now this. So that's why this was my favorite part in the song. I'm gonna listen to that again. Wait. Yes. Yes. It's like acceptance. Oh, I like this blues.
있는 나 가끔은 울고 있는 나 지금도 매부 매순 가사라 숨쉬는 persona. Who the hell am I? I just wanna go, I just wanna fly, I just wanna give you all the voices till I die. I just wanna give you all the shoulders when you cry. Persona. Who the hell am I?
Love this part also.
I just wanna fly
because I can sing along.
I just wanna give you all the voices till I die. I just wanna give you all the shoulders when you cry.
Oh, yes. What do... Just... Tired of clapping now after their songs. Okay, let me shut this. I already love the song. I already love this song so much, and the visuals of the song. Now this has made it 100 times better. I'll probably change my scoring now. No, I won't. But I loved it anyway. I gave the lyrics 9 in my after when I watched the lyric video, because it was so, I could connect to it. You know what happens is that when you are probably, it happens with us also, that we are also embarrassed of our past selves. But I think when we grow up, we sort of, you know, when I look at my photos, past photos, I sort of at times cringe and I say, oh my god, I don't want to look at this. Oh my god, this is how I was. But you know, you being that person has made you this person today. So it's you have to accept that. You cannot just you know, ignore that part and discard that part of your life. Though that was a persona of you, this is also a persona. This persona is the fruit and the result of all my past self and experience. So I really could connect personally with the song. So yes, I loved it. I absolutely loved the visuals. I loved how everything was just, it was so beautiful, especially the classroom. I loved the classroom. And then all of the robot kind of stuff that he had, I loved that as well. So yes, that was my reaction to Persona comeback trailer by Namjoon. I hope you enjoyed this reaction. If you're a K-pop lover, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on my next video. Bye!